Ayos. Diyan.
Yun. Hindi na nauna yung mic.
Ano ba? Oo. Copyright na. Tinanggal kagad na. Kasi yung computer natin, mura kagad ng time. Tatlo yung pinaka. Oo. Binaba kagad sa akin yung ano yung tinanggal kagad.
Pero kung bibilisan mo yung ano niyan, yung tempo, hindi yung original tempo, okay lang.
Basta yan. Dito sa pagpasok lang. Tapos, kasi tuloy-tuloy kami noon, pinapakilala. Naghahanap tayo nila para pagdating sa finals. Mag-ano.
Shout out kay Bundal.
Ano, sa tayo?
Pwede na.
Pinawisan na lahat.
Okay, may mga first
Pati yung audience.
Umpisa na. Hello? Hello?
Pinawisan ng lahat. Pati yung audience.
Hello?
Coach.
Naglaro mo.
Uy, maglaro ka muna. First time ka eh.
Hindi yan.
Hello. Hello. Yes, Mike. Okay, umpisa na natin to nung nasimula na. Titans versus Black Mamba. Titans first 5, number 13, Tony Gregorius. Dan Tonic, number 18, Alcimar Calalagan, number 3, Edward Chocson, and number 13, Albert Ramos. First 5 ng Black Mamba, number 31, Christian Marana, number 26, si Monsenor Ronnie. Another Monsenor, number 5, Ago, number 20, Ponsnuki, and number 18, malapit na maging Monsenor, si Ace.
Monsenor natin.
Shout out sa ating mga
5 million
officiators, Mr. Nino the Kid and Arnold Claudio. On committee stable, score sheet, Mr. Menandro. Digital board, Mr. Stan Hamburger. And our cameraman, Mr. Cafe, and yours truly, Lebron Jets.
Isang masibag.
Yun ang mga starters ng Black Mamba, mga Monsenyor. Ace will jump for Titans. Black Mamba. Atsmal. First possession. Titans. Mamba Arrow, Brad. Brad Arrow. Arrow. Stock up ang ating Ago.
Paano lang ako sa stock up ka lang.
Welcome nga pala sa mga bagong cheerleader ng Titans. Welcome to the ballgame, Ma'am Maricel and Miss Viola. Maritoni returns the ball. Pass to Albert. Albert goes all the way and he was fouled by Ago.
Ano ba talaga, ate?
First point in this ball game. First foul. Ago, first team foul. Mamba. Albert. Nakahanda na po ang defense na inihanda ng Titans para sa
Pag naka 2 points yan, ako.
Mamba, ang mousetrap defense. Here by Edward. Edward. Stop, takes to Maritoni. Maritoni floater. Titans is now leading by 4 points. It's a 4-0
Run for Titans at
Nawala lang ating mic. Ace Pondalo. 3 points. Antoni receives the ball from Edward. To Maritoni. Maritoni all the way. Kicks out to Albert. Albert fires a 3. Christian! Ayan na, napasigaw na mga fans. Okay. Edward. Traveling.
Paano kung nag-size step?
Score natin 4-3. Titans is leading by 1 point. Ayan na, ang mousetrap defense. Nuki. Inside to Lucky. Lucky. Pushing foul.
oh, 13? Okay, foul.
Sino? 13?
15 yun.
15.
15.
Pushing foul number 15. Maritoni first personal foul. Maritoni first team foul. Titans. Nuki receives the ball. Bothered by Edward. Nuki escapes from deep. Ball pounded by Atsman. To Albert. Tantoni back to Albert. And it's a steal. To Maritoni. Nice pass inside Maritoni. Foul number 21. 31. Asan siya? Ay.
Tuck in, Brad.
Takin.
Peace. Sorry.
Tuck in.
Tuck in. Yeah. First personal foul, Christian. Second team foul, Mamba. Pakitakin lang po. Para naman maganda tayong tingnan.
Si AJ.
Shout out,
Tortilla.
EJ Tortilla. Shout out sa'yo kung nasa ka man, dyan ka lang. Ayan na si Black Mamba. Nice pass to go. Same ball, says Reverie Nino the Kid. He's bothered by Tantoni. Kicks out to Christian inside to Ace, back to Christian.
7 seconds.
7 seconds shot clock. Nice steal by Edward. Pitch pass. Maritoni pass to ball intercepted by Nuki to Lucky. To Christian. Christian fires a 3. Wala na, point na ang usapan. And that voids the agreement. Forfeited na po ang agreement between Elmar and Christian. Ito pa, pass break. Albert. And a steal by Nuki. Nuki to Christian. Back to Nuki. Nuki scores. Black Mamba is now leading by 2 points, and it's a 4-0 round, 5-0 round for Black Mamba. Maritoni short. Substitution rep. Labas kagad si Christian. Second personal foul, Maritoni. Second team foul, Titans. 6 minutes 17 seconds to play for the first period. Nuki. Back, first time in the ball game. To Ago fakes. Takes the jumper. No good. Albert. Nice pass to Edward. And we are now tied at 8. Our second deadlock in this ball game. Espontalo, paddle by Tonic. Tapo ng sabaw. Black ball. Break. To Albert. To Edward. Edward all the way. Slashes to D. And Titans is now leading by 2 points. Titans 10, Mamba 8. 5 minutes and 19 seconds to play for the first period. Relax ka rin dyan. Nuki fires a 3. Short. Pull recovered by Ace. Tries to pass inside. Taken away by Maritoni. Maritoni to Albert. Albert. Back to Maritoni. To Edward. Follow up top. Titans is now leading by 4 points, and it's a 6-0 run for Titans. Substitution. Pat out, Pat in. Is Custodia out. Benji to Ace. Ace bothered by Albert. Takes the 3 and no good. Ball recovered by Pat. Nice rebound, Maritoni. To Albert. Nice pass. Tumayo lang doon si Albert. And that brings up the lead to 6 points. Titans 14, Mamba 8. Ace Mondalo Lopez, fathered by Aswan. To Nuki. Nuki. Score Titans 14. Tantonic. Time out. Mamba. Foul number 18. First personal foul. First personal foul is 13 foul Mamba. The score Titans 14, Mamba 10. Okay, back to the ball game. Lumalalim na ang gabi. Delikado na sa daan. Minutes and 55 seconds to play for the first period. Titans 14, Mamba 10. Titans is leading by 4 points. Salamat. Ay, meron na namang suhol ang Titans. Pampalamig lang, pampalamig. Maraming salamat sa mga cheerleader ng Titans. 6 seconds shot clock. Pass play. Makmak loses the ball and recovers. 10 seconds shot clock. Is Pondalo fires a 3. 5 seconds. Makmak launches a 3. Short. Another fast break opportunity. Titans. Rolling property. Misses the shot. June rebounds the ball. Taken away by Benji. Nice hustle by Rolly property. Albert. Traveling. Benji receives the ball. To Ace. Ace fakes, takes the shot. No good. Ball rebounded by Anthony. Pass break play again, Albert. To Rolly double D. Back to Albert. Nice pass. 3 days violation. Sumobra sa pasahan. Good job, good job. Good job, siya naglabas yun. Nice cut! Snooki. Asmal. Maritone all the way. And Titans is now leading by 6 points. Titans 16, number 10. Benji tumakmak, makapalalo. Tunuki is Snooki. One minute 45 seconds to play for the first period. Rolly double D receives the ball. To Anthony. Anthony floater. In and out. Fast break play. May foul na naitawag. Holding foul number 32 substitution left. 18 out. Is Nuki out. Substitution Titans. Asmar out. Lolly in. Yun, nagbibigay ng instruction si Monsenyor. Ano kayang binigay ng instruction ni Monsenyor?
Sabi ko, tatay mo.
Yo, maraming salamat, Makmak, sa pagpulot ng bola. Magtabi-tabi po ka lang dyan, baka manuno ka dyan.
Wala, buntis na yung mga nuno dyan.
Ayun, si Kuya Pat.
Bola!
Benji, battered by Rolly double D. Goes all the way, pass inside, nice pass. Follow up ni Lopena. Manong Ginobili. To Albert. Albert takes the 3. Albert, 3 points. Itong tambol para sa iyo. At isang quick. Tercero. Tapos. Rolly double D. In and out. Same ball. Titans ball. Titans. ball. Albert. Bothered by Makmak. Nice interception by Rolly Bobber D. Loloy speeds to June. Lakas pa rin ang tira. Albert recovers the ball. There's the shot underneath the basket, and he was fouled by number 10, Lovina. Kuya Box. Okay, ilan ang ating viewers?
11 million.
11 million. Shout out sa ating 11 million viewers.
Shout out kay Jeffrey De Los Santos.
Shout out Jeffrey De Los Santos.
The score.
The score natin, Titans 19, Mamba 14. Titans is leading by 5 points as we reach to 26 seconds of the first period.
Yung mga nasa second VIP.
Ayun.
Yun. Punong-puno yung stadium natin.
Maraming salamat sa sponsor ng Gatorade.
Baka naman.
Maraming salamat, Miss Jonah.
Baka naman.
Welcome to the crowd. Fourteen second shot clock. A free throw.
Pasok tayo bukas ha.
Uy,
Sabi nyo, bakit bigla kang para sa...
Saan yun sa...
nagsasab.
Andun sa loob.
may barko. Andun ang dami-dami barko.
Sa CR marami pa.
Sa CR marami pa.
Albert, second throw, too strong, ball recovered by Mr. Pat. 34 seconds to play. Pat takes a three! Pat, 3 points! Etong tatlo para sa iyo. At isa, quick. Bumawi si Ronnie Mitis. Loloy underneath the basket, no good. Ball recovered by Pat. End of the first period. Official score for the first period, Titans 20, Mamba 17. Titans is leading by 3 points. And those numbers has been brought to you by
Titans 20. 17. 3-point lead.
Duty bukas. Kaya wala na akong kusinera. Una na ako.
Kailangan matulog ng maaga. Iinom pa ng maintenance ng maaga. Okay, back to the ball game. Second period. Lumalalo na ang gabi, pero diretso na tayo. Delikado na sa daan.
Shout out kay Norisa Lantano.
Shoutout sa'yo,
Norisa
Norisa
Lantano.
Lontano. Shoutout sa'yo kung saan ka man naroon, dyan ka lang. Ilang million ang viewers? 11 million.
11 million.
Makmak to Pat. Pat signaling a play. Titira pala siya, yung pala yung play. Yung pala yung play. Edward. Nice steal by Christian. Christian bago pa yan lang. Iliwan ulit diretso. Nice interception by Ace Pondalo to Christian. Makmak. Edward. To Elmar. Ayan, nasa loob na ang mga original na Titans. Ay, Titans. Joros to Elmar. Takes out to Edward. Edward fires a three! Iba talaga ang may killer. Anim na naman ng Titans. Para daw yung kay Maricel. Lovina receives the ball. Takes the shot. All good. Oh, rebounded by Afable. To Edward. Edward all the way. Slashes the team. Kaya na ang fighting. Nadidinig natin. Substitution. Danny out. Snooki in.
Mike. Number 16.
Wala na kayo, bumaba na kayo lahat. Hoy, isa na lang tumawa sa inyo.
Neighbor.
Joro step. Pat passes the deep. Traveling. Substitution left. Pat out the Janin.
Sabi daw kay Mike, hinahanap daw siya doon sa ano to.
Saan? Sa committee?
Hinahanap daw siya sa Bradin.
Ay, nagkaroon ng grabe. Hanap ka raw din ng grabe.
Nice, Kuya Box. 2 points for Kuya Box. Makmak slashes the team. And that brings down the lead of Titans to 6 points. Titans 25, Mamba 19. 6 minutes and 38 seconds to play for the second period of Pable.
Christian!
To Edward. Edward fires a three. He is short this time.
Hinahanap ko daw doon.
Hanap ka raw, Mike. May session nata kayo.
Nagsisyon na kayo. Oh, patay sigaw dyan.
Lugi, battled by Pable. To Christian. Christian fires a three. Short for recovered by John. John fakes, takes the shot. He uses the board. Come on! Titans, your coach has seen it up.
Pa-time out na.
Napatime out bigla si Tony Boy.
Score.
This Mamba Titans 25, Mamba 21. Titans is leading by 4 points as we reach to 6 minutes and 11 seconds out of first half. And those numbers have been brought to you by referee Arnold Clavio. And this timeout has been brought to you by Senor Jojo Belmar. Back to the ball game. Dada, pampagising naman itong binigay mo. Ano matutulog mamaya nito? Edward battled by Christian. break. Hey! Christian tumakba. Ano tama? 3 days violation.
Hindi pa tingin ko, bakante na. Kadawa sila.
3 days violation. 21-25. Titans is still leading by 4 points. Titans. Joros fires a 3. Shot is good. Traveling. Traveling si Kuya Boats. Mom by Azmar. 10 seconds shot clock. Back shot. Kuya Bogs. Blocked by Nuki. Ball recovered by Christian. Nice pass to Makmak. And that brings down the lead of Titans to 2 points. 4 minutes 34 seconds. Joro step. Wala. Fast break play na naman to. Dalawang maliit. Christian. Nice pass again. Tabla na tayo. Tabla na tayo sa 25. And this is our second deadlock in this ball game. Joro step. Traveling. Substitution Titans.
Umaya na, dyan ka muna.
Tumamba.
Shout out to Mike. Hinahanap ka na, Mike.
Shout out to Mike. Hinahanap ka na.
Hinahanap ka na ni Braden.
Hey, brother.
Badly needed ka yata.
Coke na. Gatorade pa.
Bunso, idaan yan.
Meron lang po tayong konting tutorial at saka paglilinaw mula kay referee Arnold Clavio at saka kay Mighty Mouse. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 4 seconds to play for the first half.
Nag-i-enjoy siya dito.
We are tied at 25.
Mamaya na daw.
Yo, Senyor Lee, first time in the ball game.
Second half, pagpapalit daw.
Yellow ball, yellow ball, yellow ball. Hiwalay lang tayo, hiwalay. Kabila.
Nuki, by John. Gets a pick. Another pick. Kicks out to Nyoli. 8 second shot lang. Makmak fires a 3. Rico misses on this. Diretso lang, diretso. Tumama sa ring. 8 second shot lang.
3 seconds.
3 second shot clock. Counted. Basket count. Naipato muna. Basket count. And Mamba is now leading by 3 points. Mamba 28, Titans 25. 3 minutes, 12 seconds to play for the first half. Mamba is leading by 3 points.
Picturean nyo na, picturean nyo. Lamang na kayo. Okay ka na ba? Picturean nyo na, panalo na kayo. Lamang na kayo. Oo.
35-28.
Nakalamang na ang Mamba ng 3. 21 seconds shot clock.
Yan na! 3 points!
10 seconds shot clock. Nuki escapes from the knee. In and out. Yan, may natitinig na naman kami pati. Kuya Bo, and that brings down the lead to 1 point. Score 28, Mamba, 5 times 27, Makmak. Substitution. Kuya Bog's out, Apable in.
Doon pa tumakot, sabi ko lakasan. Sabi ko lakasan eh.
2 minutes and 34 seconds to play for the first half. Mamba 28, Titans 27. Mamba is leading by 1 point. Edward, bothered by Makmak. Stops, kicks out to Albert. Albert fires a 3.
Nag-i-enjoy yata si Mike.
Titans. He gains the
Kumaya
lead.
daw.
Titans is now leading by 2 points. 30-28 to Makmak. Tatlo na naman tayo. Third deadlock.
Isa lang pala. Isa pa. Sa tanot pa.
Maritoni, Lofos. To June, 10 second shot clock. Pass break! And Mamba regains the lead. The score, Mamba 32, Titans 30 in favor of Mamba. Maritoni picks. Time out. Substitution. Offensive foul number 15. Third personal foul.
Tatlo pa lang.
Third personal foul, Maritoni. 1 minute 90 seconds to play. For the first half, Mamba is now leading by 2 points. Courtesy of Makmak.
Magpapasok kasi.
Illegal pick, number 18.
Sika Paul.
Second personal foul, Ace. First team foul for Mamba. Apable. Oh, good. Apable. Back to Ramos. Ramos takes a 3. Short. So recovered by Apable. 10 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock. Maritoni back to Landon. 43 seconds. The score 34-30. June. 24 seconds. Ace Montalo. Two seconds difference between shot clock and of the second period, the official score, Mamba 36. Titans 36-point lead in favor of Mamba.
Mike daw.
Sana kami.
Coffee lang!
May chance pa.
Ay! Daya!
Isang try lang tayo, isa lang. Isang try lang, isa lang. Isang tira lang. Mamaya na ulit.
Ikot lang.
Isang ikot lang tayo, isa lang. Isang tira lang. Isang tira lang.
Ayan, ayan.
Nako, si Christian pa!
Ano, pating?
Tapos!
Bakit yung bola lang yung
Tapos na ko po!
Di ba ako shoot?
Sige, sali ka.
Galaw-galaw!
Yeah! Nakatali ng bigas, si Ago. Ang balot na tuyo, i-claim mo lang yung tuyo sa Nesma.
Delikado pang tribal.